Hi, welcome to pre-algebra. Over here. Been kind of busy a little bit lately, so kind of what I teach every classes as well. I'm going to teach 2 classes today, and today I'm going to teach two other classes tomorrow. So just to make it easy for me. So today is pre-algebra, and I'll also teach a health class as well. So this is pre-algebra right now. Let's begin. So this is the first one is writing numbers here. Negative 208. Easy. 200, negative 208 for sure. The next one is least to greatest. So 10, negative 4, negative 15. Well, 3, 10 to 15 is greater. For the negative side, so right now we got negative 15, negative 4 is next, and we got 10. Less than, greater than, less than or equal, negative 15 is less than 30, and 10 is greater than 4. I put my eraser on top right here to make it easier, so. Today we're going to learn some operations. But today we're going to start with adding negative numbers. We started with a couple of arithmetic problems though. Alright, 5 plus 2, 283. Plus 54. Alright, now they are all positive numbers and stuff. They are all positive numbers. With higher is just each time I'm going to break up a couple of arithmetic problems, so just give a few about a refresher or so. 5 plus 2 easy is 7. Start go with this. So up, down, 7, 13, 3. Also, we're going to learn about decimals and fractions as well. 2 decimals and fractions as well. But we're going to do that in a later lesson or so. Today we're going to show us how I do like whole number like numbers today. And then we're going to, in tomorrow's lesson, we're going to add decimals and fractions integers or so. Today is whole number like integers. And tomorrow's lesson is fraction and decimal integers. So let's begin with the integer stuff. Now, if I were to say negative 2 plus 2. Alright. What is the easiest way we can find out on that? The number line. There's negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. There's negative 2 right here. We go 1, 2. Times which equals 0. Highlight this. I didn't highlight the fraction and stuff. If you were to add a negative number to a positive number, takeaway. Subtraction. The easiest way for me to do the easiest way for me to add or subtract negative numbers is how I opposite myself. Like for example, negative 5 plus 9. I can add right there and say that it's how I minus 5 would equal 4. Now the correct answer is 4 because positive 9 is bigger. But if I was to say negative 9 plus 5. Alright, this one is 4. Now the negative is a lot bigger. So it has to be negative 4. That is the difference right there. Because the bigger number was the size of sign. Or the size of sign there. Now let's try a bigger number or so. Negative 15 plus 12. Alright, that's easy. That's 3. But let's decide if it's a negative, it's 3, negative or positive. Well, that's 15. I think the 15 is bigger than the 12. And on the number side. So the negative number is going to be right there. So it's negative 3 for an answer. Right there. On some simple adding and subtracting answers, I want you to make and put it. I want you to kind of write use a number line for it to practice the number line. And pretty soon we're going to learn about the number line a lot more bigger when we might solve simple inequalities and stuff. Now let's go with a bigger thing. Negative 283 plus a negative 93. Now, they're both negative, so you add them both. So it's how I get them. How I add two positive numbers is just highlight and 3. If you highlight the same as adding two negative numbers, it's the same thing, but it can be a bigger negative number or so. So let's add me to right there. Now 376 is the answer, but we're both negative. So it's negative 376 for the answer. Now we have understand the basic idea of subtraction. I mean not subtraction, adding negative numbers. So we are going to do a point here. 1, use the number line to add. Well, let's do it. Two positive numbers for sure. Let's start off with A. Let's start A. Negative 4. And we'll do a negative plus a positive. Alright, use the number to add 2 plus 3, negative 4 plus 5, and add these two numbers as well. Negative 35 plus negative 72, 345 plus negative 487. So that's on the quiz.